Hi all. Today's our topic is what is Canvas and how to use it. Canvas is used to draw graphics on the web page. Using Canvas, we can draw circles, rectangles, triangles, lines and much more. Canvas element is only a container for graphics. So here is a syntax that how to add canvas in our HTML. Here canvas having ID, width, height and styles. JavaScript accesses container using ID and uses its methods to draw shapes programmatically like line to, arc, draw image. The HTML5 canvas is considered as a two-dimensional grid. So here we see that x coordinate is horizontally and y coordinates is vertically. So this, with the help of this x and y coordinate, we draw our graphics on canvas. So let's start with the line. So let's start with our actual code. First include canvas into our HTML. Give ID to it, that is my canvas. After that, width, let's give it to 200 pixel. Height 200 pixel. Give style as a border. One pixel. Solid and color is red. So look here, our canvas is ready. Now we have to access our canvas. So in JavaScript, so let's take variable C. In that we store our canvas. With the help of ID we can access it. So our ID is my canvas. After that we have to access 2D context of our canvas. So store it in variable, that is ctx, which having c dot get 2D context. Get context of type 2-dimensional, that is 2D. So here we get the 2-dimensional access of our canvas. So let's start to draw dot onto our canvas. So for that we use to begin path to reset our coordinates of current path. So the method is ctx dot begin path. With the help of this method we reset our current path coordinate, that is x and y coordinate is 0 after this executing line. Then we have to give our starting coordinate of our line, which is move to method that having x and y coordinate from where we have to start our line. So let's give it as a 50 and 50. Okay. After that we have to give our ending point positions. The method is line 2, which having x and y coordinate. Let's give it 200, and so here we have to plot dot, that is draw dot. So it should be 51 and 51 because only 1 pixel is the size of that dot. Now actually draw that dot. For that, ctx dot stroke method is here. So see, here a small dot is come into our canvas. So in part 2, let's start to draw line into our canvas. So just copy this line of code which we write for dot, and only here we have to change the coordinate of x and y. So just change the coordinate of ending coordinates. So we give here 100, and look, our line come. So just we are changing the coordinates. So we are draw our line. Just change the starting points also so that we can see our dot also. So with the help of changing coordinate, we can draw line as our requirement. Let's explore our code. We use 4 methods that are begin path, move to method with xy coordinate as arguments, line 2 methods with xy coordinate as argument, and last one is stroke. Let's go with this all methods. So begin path, it resets current path coordinate to 0, 0. Move to method having xy coordinate, that is start point of our shape. Let's say it is 20 pixel from x, that is here, and 20 pixel from y. So here from this position we have to start our line. Third method is line 2, that is having x and y coordinate, which is the end point of our line. That is, let's say 50 pixel from x axis, that is here, and 50 pixels from y axis. So here is our last end point of our line. Next method is stroke. It actually draws shape on the canvas. So it actually draws line from 20 pixel of this point to till the 50 pixels of the end point.